In this video, we are going to see how to get daily Fitbit record activity on SMS. So let's say that you're using Fitbit as a fitness monitor, like it's a tracker. So if there is a new activity on Fitbit, so this particular activity would be shared with you on SMS. Now, how can this happen? For this, you will have to integrate Fitbit along with this application Twilio, or it can be MSG91, and these two can be integrated using Pabbly Connect software. Here, your trigger application would be Fitbit and your action application would be Twilio. Now, how can you do this integration yourself and automate this entire process? To understand that, let me take you to my screen.
To begin with the process, we are first going to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and as we do that, it will take us to the landing page of this software. Here on the right hand side, you can see two tabs, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, simply sign in. If you are a new user, then you will have to sign up here. It will not take more than 2 minutes, and also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. Now, since I already have an account here, I'm simply going to click on sign in. And it has taken me to the all applications page. Let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And now we have reached the dashboard. On the right hand side, you can see a tab create workflow. Let's click on this. So let's name it as Fitbit Twilio integration. Now I'm going to make this capital T and let's click on create. So as we do that, here we have reached another page which has got two very important events, trigger and action. Triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action is the response of our trigger event. So here my application would be, now I'm going to first start with schedule. What is schedule? I want this workflow to run every day at a particular timing, so I will have to schedule it. So it is every day, and let's say the time here is 8 o'clock. Let's click on save. Once done, now my next action application would be Fitbit. Why? Because I need this information which is recorded on my watch. So here I want to get activity summary by date. Let's click on this and click on connect. As soon as this happens, Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the Fitbit account. So let's click on add new connection and connect with Fitbit. I've already logged into my account. So here I'm just going to click on allow all and then click on allow. So once done, here we have to map the date, but we do not have date here in our previous step. So here I'm going to add another action step, which is date time formatter. Let's click on this. It is a feature by Pabbly, and here I'm going to fetch current date. Let's click on connect. Now the basic format is this, and now let's click on save and send test request. As soon as we have done that, it has given me today's date. Now I'm going to map this date over here. Let's click on this, go to step 2 and here, and I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here, as soon as we do that, we can see that it has taken the last activity which was logged in my watch. Activity name was water aerobics and the amount of calories will 110. So once this is done, now what I'm going to do is, now my objective is to send a message on Twilio to my client about this activity. So the application is Twilio. Let's click on this. Action event here is send SMS message. Let's click on connect. Again, Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with a Twilio account. Let's click on add new connection, and here to set up this connection we require the account SID and the authorization token. For this, now I'm going to take you to my Twilio account where I've already logged in, and here on the dashboard you can see the information that we need. This is the SID. I'm going to copy this here, and then the authorization token. So this is, again, I'm going to first show you this, copy this, go back, paste it over here, and again the account SID. So I'm going to copy it here and paste it over here. Once done, let's click on save to set up this connection. So here we can see that Twilio is now connected with Pabbly Connect. Now the body of the SMS. So let's say, dear user, your activity has been recorded and is as under. Then let's write the name of the activity name. And here I'm going to map this data. Mapping basically means that I already have this information in my previous step and I'm just going to retrieve it here. So I'm going to go to step 3 and this is the name of my activity. So once done, then what do I want? Calories burned. So I'm again going to go to the step 3 and this is the amount of calories. Regards, now I can write stay fit and healthy. Regards, Team Fitbit. This is the message that I wish to send. Now sender's number. Again, I'm going to take you to the Twilio account. This is sender's number. I'm going to copy this, go back here and paste it over here. And now I want the recipient's number. So I'm going to provide a number here. So once done, I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as soon as we have done that, here we can see that we have received the response and here I have received the SMS on my phone. Here is the screenshot of the same. So basically this means that this entire integration process is a success and we also need to check it in real time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another log on my watch. Let's say it is for swimming. So now I'm going to quickly go back and check if we have received the response. And yes, here you can see that we have received a response. The screenshot of the same is right here in front of you. This basically means that this entire integration process is a success. Now we are going to quickly check what we have done so that the process is crystal clear in front of us. So the first trigger application was scheduled. Why? Because we wanted this workflow to run every day at a particular time. Then the next action was Fitbit, where the event was get activity summary by date. Now here we needed the date. For that we had added another action step which was date time formatter by Pabbly. It is a feature and the event was current date. Finally, the action application was Twilio and our event was send SMS message. I hope this is very much clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow. It is given in the description box. Also, you can clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any other doubts, suggestions or advice, you can always write to us.
I hope this was helpful. To watch more such videos, you can always subscribe to our channel which is there on YouTube. If you have any queries, you can write to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you want to know our pricing plans, then you can visit us at this particular site. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you have liked this video.